In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Rockstar Games launcher is not opening or working. To fix this, the first thing you need to do is open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. From here, click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. Scroll to the bottom until you see Exclusions, then click Add or Remove Exclusions. Now click Add an exclusion, select Folder, and navigate to your Rockstar Games folder. This is usually located in C drive Program Files, x86. Scroll down until you find the Rockstar Games folder, select it, and click Select Folder. Once you've done that, close the window and check if the launcher is now working. If it's still not working, another solution is to open File Explorer, go to your C drive, open Program Files, x86, and find the Rockstar Games folder. Rename it by adding an underscore at the beginning of the folder name and press Enter. If you get a security prompt, click Continue. Next, go to your desktop, right-click the Rockstar Games launcher, and select Run as Administrator. Give it a few seconds to see if it opens. If it's still not working, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, click Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type OneDrive. If you see Microsoft OneDrive, you can try uninstalling it before launching the Rockstar Games launcher. Don't uninstall it if you actively use OneDrive, but if you never use it, it may be causing compatibility issues with the launcher. Click the three dots next to Microsoft OneDrive, select Uninstall, and confirm. Once OneDrive has been uninstalled, try launching the Rockstar Games launcher again, and that should solve the issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.